Yo guys, your boy Opoyemi Emmanuel, photographer based in Lagos, Nigeria. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can whiten the eyes and the teeth in Capture One. Without any further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. The updated version of Capture One, have a very lovely, preset in it, which is style brushes. When you come to style brushes, then you go to inbuilt style brushes. You see different brushes that you can use, like cool color warm, this and that, enhancement, like that. Under enhancement, when you come to enhancement, you can see what we call whiten teeth. So just go ahead and click on it. Then you can come and paint on the areas that you would need to white, like so. Something like this. Just something like this. And automatically to create a whiten teeth adjustment layer here for you. As you are doing that, you just keep doing it. Then you can reduce the size of the brush so you can go through more, so that you have that clean and nice white eye. This is not destructive in any way. You can see all the texture, all the veins in the eye. Let me zoom in so that you can see the effect in there. Can you see all the veins in the eyes? This is before the whiten teeth, and this is after the whiten teeth adjustment in the Capture One. So this is a great work. And once you are done with that, you want to go to the next eye and apply the same thing, same effect to it, like so. So that you can have that uniform, nice white, white eye. Something like this looks so great. So I'm just going to show you. Let me zoom out to show you the before and after of where we are coming from. All right, so that you can see the two eyes of the model in front. So this is the before and this is after. Before, after, before, after. So each time you are applying the brush, it's creating a new adjustment layer for you. So something like that. This is a quick way to whiten, so you don't need to go and do it in Photoshop. If you are a Capture One user, just sort the little bits in Capture One, then you can go to Photoshop and finish the rest by removing the blemishes and something like that. If this tutorial has helped you one way or the other, do well to subscribe, like my channel and comment and share so that others can benefit from this nice tutorial. Thank you. Peace out.